A butterfly lands on Lola.
Charlie!
She runs after it.
Lola? Charlie!
Charlie draws a set of stairs with a crayon and Lola runs up them.
Charlie and Lola!
Originated by Lauren Child.
I really wonder what plant I'm growing.
I have this little sister Lola. She is small and very funny.
What are you doing, Charlie?
I'm growing my own plant. It's a tomato one.
I am not keen on tomatoes.
I know you're not, but you see it's really amazing because this plant can actually grow tomatoes.
Ooh. That green plant grows into tomatoes?
Yep, if I look after it properly. You're doing really well, aren't you? You've got lots of big leaves.
Charlie, why are you talking to your plant? They don't have ears.
Lots of people talk to plants. Mrs. Finch says it helps them to grow.
Why?
Well, the air that we breathe out is the air that plants like to breathe in. So when I talk, my plant will get lots of air.
Oh, I'd like to grow a plant. Because you see, I'm a very good talker. And then we did a painting class. And then Lotta and me fed the fishes in the pond. And then Mum came and we went shopping. And I slipped, but it only hurt a little bit. Ouch. Oh, and then... But I don't want a plant of tomatoes, Charlie.
You don't have to grow a tomato plant. You can grow any sort of plant.
I can grow a biscuit plant. Or a butterfly plant. Or a musical plant that plays music.
A plant plays to Lola while she sleeps.
So Mum brought Lola a pack of seeds so she could grow her very own plant.
What do I do now, Charlie?
You have to put one seed in the hole in the earth and then cover it up, and if you look after it properly, it will grow into a plant. And there are lots of different seeds and lots of different plants. Like cress seeds that grow into cress. And pumpkin seeds that grow into pumpkins. And acorns that grow into...
Acorns?
No! Acorns grow into huge, tall oak trees.
What will my seed grow into?
You'll have to wait and see.
It's a wait and see seed.
Yes, it's a wait and see seed. Go on, plant it.
I think we'll have a stripy stalk that will grow and grow into big loops and curlies. And then big, huge flowers.
Lola.
OK, I'll just wait and see.
Lying in bed, Lola watches the plant pot. At breakfast, eating her cereal with Charlie, Lola looks at the plant pot. Sitting on the doorstep...
Where are you? Why aren't you doing anything? I'm talking to you, but you're still not growing. Now you'll definitely grow.
She puts on the radio.
You know my wait and see plant, Charlie?
Yes?
Well, there's a very lot of waiting and no seeing at all.
You just have to be patient.
A tomato.
Yes! Look, Lola, my first tomato!
That's nice, Charlie. But my seed won't grow.
Mrs. Finch told me that seeds only grow when they're happy. And the first thing they need is water.
It's raining.
The rain helps the roots to grow. The water seeps deep into the ground. And then roots start to grow to help the plant stand up, like feet.
They're all squiggly, Charlie.
What's that? Slurping. Plants also use their roots for drinking, like slurping through a straw.
Lola uses a red watering can to water her flower pot.
Lola, not too much water. Oh dear. It won't grow if it gets too much water.
Oh. Oh.
Maybe you should ask Mum for another seed.
Lola digs a hole in the soil, then plants and waters her seed.
There.
Yeah, that's good. Just enough to wet the soil.
Is there anything else that will make my plant happy, Charlie?
Well, they love sunshine.
Oh, they love the sunshine.
They like to grow towards the warm, and it makes all their leaves come out.
Look, the sunshine has made my plant grow a tiny weeny bit. See?
Yes.
I will leave my plants in the sunshine.
Later,
Charlie!
Oh dear, Lola. Too much sun.
Oh no, what am I going to do now?
Ask Mum for another seed.
the windowsill.
Just enough sunshine for the leaves and just enough water for the squiggly roots.
I'm sure it's going to grow this time. Look, here's a book Mrs. Finch gave us to learn all about plants. I thought you would like it.
Ooh!
You see, the thing is, growing a seed is only just the beginning. The seed grows into a plant, and then the plant grows into a flower. Then bees come to eat from the plants. And as they eat, they get all this yellow stuff called pollen all over their furry legs. And then they fly off to another plant. The pollen from the two flowers gets all mixed up and makes a new seed.
Wow!
And there are thousands and thousands of different seeds and lots of different ways that they can travel.
Why did the seeds want to travel?
So they can spread everywhere. And then lots of flowers and plants and trees can grow up all over the place. Look, some seeds get picked up by birds or animals. Other seeds travel by the wind.
They fly on some dandelion seeds.
And some seeds are so clever, they can fly all by themselves.
Those seeds are spinning!
The wing-shaped seeds twirl as they fall.
These seeds grow into enormous trees called sycamores. And when the seeds fall onto the ground, a new plant grows.
Ooh!
And you see, Lola, it goes round and round forever. Seed, plant,
Flower!
that's right.
Seed, plant, flower. Oh, I wonder what plant I'm growing.
It might take a long time before you know, and you have to keep checking for...
Just enough water and just enough sunshine. I'm going to make sure that everything is just right.
Lola looks closely at her pot. Later, it's grown a little.
Ah.
It has a leaf. It has a second leaf when she waters it, and a third leaf when she puts it next to the radio.
It's doing really well, Lola.
I know.
What do you think it will grow into?
I think it will be a pineapple. Or maybe it will be one of those prickly plants. Or maybe it will be one of those big, huge trees.
Lola, it might just be a normal plant with leaves.
Oh no, Charlie. My plant is going to be an extremely special plant. Even if it is just a plant of leaves, maybe the leaves will be in all different colours. Or maybe it will grow up to the ceiling.
It won't grow any more if you don't go to sleep.
And grow and grow. Higher and higher. Higher in the sky.
Lola dreams that her plant spirals into the air with huge colourful flowers bursting out along its bright green stem. She climbs up and around its twisting stalk. The next morning, Lola walks up to the table wearing her pyjamas. The plant's grown a little bit more and now has 6 leaves and a white flower.
It's a flower, Charlie.
Yes, it's a flower.
It's a white flower.
Yes, it's a white flower.
And it has a smell. I have grown a smelling flower.
And do you like it?
I like it!